Yeah, now that's a fire. I can feel the heat clear back here. Hey, welcome to our channel. Whether you're trekking through the Ozarks or just out there enjoying nature, our mission is simple: to help you become a better landscape photographer and to bring you along for the ride. Well, hello. Steve, where are we at? Oh, that's right. Steve's not with me. I'm at a place near Edgar Springs, Missouri, and the owner of the property is John Edgar, and he changed all his land to prairie. And Steve and I was out here one time taking pictures of, we call them purple corn dogs. There's an official name for them, and I'll link the video up above. We've been out here probably 4 or 5 times. We did the Milky Way shots out here. Today's a special day. They're going to burn all these fields, and Steve and I was out here once before. I don't know that I video recorded it or not, but that's my plans today. It happens pretty fast, so I don't know how much video I'm going to get, but you'll get to see the pictures at least. So we're going to do this, and I keep saying we. I'm going to do this today and see how this goes. So stick around and see what happens.
Hold on, so that's called
This is John Edgar. He's the one who's doing this. How many years have you done this, John?
16 years here.
16 years. So you're kind of a pro at it, aren't you?
I can make mistakes with the best of them.
So we're going to see how this goes today. What's this officially called?
Drip torch.
A drip torch. I've learned something.
Yeah, it's filled with a 3-to-2 mixture of diesel and gasoline. So what could possibly go wrong? A metal can filled with diesel and gasoline that you literally put on fire.
Nothing.
Life is good. Austin's, Gatlin.
Okay.
There's
Anybody need any water or anything before you go?
and the worst issue in that back field will be those dead snags. So you got 2 choices. You can put them out when they start, or you can stay with me till midnight. The weather conditions are, I think, perfect. The problem is when you had 9 inches of snow that has gradually melted over the past 2 weeks, I don't know how wet it's going to be underneath. I suspect the wind will carry it over the prairie and we'll leave a stubble. They're working in the back field. We're going to burn this field and that field. We are leaving the rest of it. We're burning about half because Mervyn Wallace, Missouri Wildflowers, wants us to figure out what we're suppressing, what we are enhancing with fire. Yeah. And if you look at the
So last time I was out here, I got some, they're called vortexes. Steve and I call them fire tornadoes. Hope we get some of those today. You just never know. Even John Edgar, who's been doing this for 16 years, he never knows how this is going to go. Everybody out here is going to have a part. There's some with blower backpacks, and there's some with what's called a flapper, and it looks like a mud flap on a broomstick or something.
If it seems out of ordinary, then she will report to us. She'll call you, she'll call me, she'll drive past and see us.
Here's some of the snow that I was talking about. And then they're coming behind the fire with a blower. Go behind the fire here. Lots of smoke. I haven't seen any tornadoes yet. Last time when we were out here, there'd be some rabbits that would run out. So I'm pretty surprised how fast it's burning. Oh, it smells good too. Bright sunny day. We're in February. I think it's the 7th today.
Okay, stop.
Fire is really going behind me here. Look at that line of fire. As a pond. There's still ice on the pond. Wow, look at that. Didn't take very long for that field to burn. It was down in no time. That's what the field started off like. That's what it looks like now. Well, we're kind of in a lull right now. This field behind me here, we're going to burn it, but I'm going to try to get some drone footage. John down there, I don't know if you can see him way down there. He's burning off a little corner down there. Somebody asked him about the telephone pole, and he says, well, it's never burned down before. I think they're saying they're burning 20 acres. Now, last time we were out here, we burned it all, and it took quite a while. But, well, quite a while, I don't know. It didn't seem that long, but it's pretty exciting stuff. here. This was an exciting shoot as always. Steve, I missed you. I could have used another camera operator. I was trying to do the video, trying to do stills, and try to do some drone footage. I don't know, it's hard to do. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, leave a comment down. This is a lot different than landscape photography. It was journalistic, just carrying it and just carrying the camera around, and I tried to switch lenses. That was harder than I thought. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back.